Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson we'll be going over how to ask questions using the present simple in English. So let's begin. Are you ready? You've just heard your first question in the present simple in English. But how was it formed? For questions that involve the verb to be, it's as simple as swapping the verb with the subject of the sentence. If we take the previous question, are you ready? For example, you can see here that the are, which is part of the verb to be, has in fact been swapped with the subject, you. In a normal sentence this would be, you are ready? If we take another sentence, for example, with the verb to be in we're hungry, what would the question be in this case? Are you hungry? Here the verb are has been swapped with the subject we. If in this circumstance you'd like to find out more information from the question, you can in fact just add a question word at the beginning of the sentence. For example, why are you hungry? Or what are you hungry for? But what if the verb to be is not involved? Or another auxiliary word such as can, could, should, will, might? Then what you need to use is do or does. If we take the example sentence, Ben plays football, and you want to ask someone if Ben plays football, what should you say? Does Ben play football? It's important to note that the auxiliary verb does is used here instead of do if relating to he, she or it. In this case, Ben, which is he, is does, and I, you, we or they will be do. Also, the base form of the verb is always used. You don't need to conjugate it depending on the subject. For example, here it's play and not play. So another example sentence could be, I like drinking tea. What would the question be? That's right, do you like drinking tea? Did you get it correct? Make sure you practice posing questions in English until you feel comfortable and you'll have no trouble. And there you go, let me know in the comments if you have any further questions regarding how to ask a question using the present simple in English. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more English lessons and tips. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.